PowerAdSpy is a specialized tool that's designed to give deep insights into advertising campaigns across multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and more. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about PowerAdSpy to help you decide if it's the right dropshipping research tool for you. I will explain how PowerAdSpy stacks up in many different departments, such as product discovery features, which is arguably the most important one. I'll talk about the supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, customer support and community, and much, much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the link to PowerAdSpy in the description below. Choosing the wrong tool for your e-commerce business can cost you a lot of money and waste a lot of time, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you can make the right decision. Now let's get started with the product discovery features of PowerAdSpy. While PowerAdSpy is not directly focused on product discovery, it offers an indirect method through the analysis of successful advertising campaigns. By identifying which products are frequently advertised and performing well in various markets, users can get insights into trending products and potential niche opportunities. Now, what about market analysis? PowerAdSpy excels in market analysis, particularly in the context of advertising. It provides comprehensive data on ad performance, including engagement metrics, audience demographics, and geographical data. This allows dropshippers to understand which products are popular in different regions and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. So, how does it integrate with other platforms? PowerAdSpy primarily serves as an ad analysis tool. It doesn't really integrate directly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, so you can't use it for product management or listing. However, the insights that you get from spying on other people's ads can help you no matter what platform you're on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other one. What about supplier database? Again, PowerAdSpy does not include a supplier database because focused on advertising insights, not the complete supply chain management aspect of dropshipping. So what about their pricing and profitability tools? Well, PowerAdSpy does not actually have anything to do with pricing and profitability for dropshipping operations. But nevertheless, understanding the advertising spend and engagement data can help you kind of indirectly estimate the potential profitability based on the success of other people's ads for similar products. What about the user interface and ease of use? PowerAdSpy boasts a clean, intuitive user interface that's pretty easy to navigate. Even if you are a beginner to ad spying, the platform has a straightforward layout with powerful filtering options to help you quickly find the most relevant ad campaigns based on various criteria. So how do they do for customer support and community? PowerAdSpy provides robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive FAQ section. The platform also maintains an active presence on social media, offering additional support and community engagement through platforms like Facebook. Now let's look at something that I'm sure you're all interested in, which is their pricing. So if we look at pricing right here, we can see that they have a monthly subscription plan. And if you decide to pay annually, then you'll save between 50 to 70%. So you can definitely save a lot of money. If you're serious about trying PowerAdSpy, I would recommend going yearly. But if you just want to try it out right off the bat, you don't know if it's right for you, then go with monthly. You can use the link in the description to try it. They actually have a free package that you can sign up for, and then you go up to basic, where you can actually try it for just $1 for 3 days, and then it goes up to $69 a month. And then as you get more and more features and more ad views, the price goes up all the way up to almost $400 a month. And so you can actually see on the website all the different features that are included with each plan. Now, what about analytics and reporting? Well, PowerAdSpy offers excellent analytics and reporting capabilities, providing detailed insights into ad performance metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversions. These reports are really valuable for understanding what kind of ads are successful and how you can replicate that success for yourself. Now, as far as mobile app availability goes, currently PowerAdSpy doesn't offer a mobile app, which can limit the accessibility for some users, especially if you want to manage your research on mobile devices when you're not at your computer. As far as what other people say in terms of user feedback and reviews, PowerAdSpy is generally has positive reviews. What people particularly like is its comprehensive ad database and deep analytical capabilities. It's not perfect, but it's still a great platform for a lot of people, especially if you're a dropshipper or a marketer. Now, Shopify is easily one of the most popular platforms in the world for actually running an entire e-commerce business. So if you're already interested in using PowerAdSpy, but you're not sure what platform to actually use to run your entire business, Shopify is a great platform for that. And you can actually use the link in the description to try it out completely for free for 3 days. And then you can just pay $1 for a month if you want. So I've included the link in the description to both Shopify as well as PowerAdSpy, and you can check them out. Thanks for watching.